Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea who sent this or what it is. It feels like it's a couple of things. It just says it's from the shipping department, which is actually pretty common. I'd say I get 3 packages a week that just say they're from the shipping department. So it's probably an OEM, right? It's probably a company sending me stuff. Thanks so much to whoever sent it. We'll find out here in a sec. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I will link this stuff down in the description if it is stuff that is available, which I have to assume it is, or it will be, right? So this will all be timed properly. Try to make it to where you guys can get stuff. There we go. Try to make it to where you guys can get stuff, but it's not always possible to have things timed perfectly and have everything in stock. Oh, I think maybe we're in for a treat today, guys. Oh, I think maybe we are. I really hope these are, or at least one of these is what I think it is, because if it is, oh, yeah, all right. I finished my Ultra Sunrise Monster right before I did this, right? Now, considering that I'm now learning what's in this package, they might not be available yet, right? It just depends on a lot of stuff. So, anyways, which one? Let's do this one first. What do we got here? How curious. Let's move this stuff out of the way so the camera understands what I'm trying to focus on here. Okay. This is a bit longer. Okay. All right. Hold on here. These are new models. Okay. Hey, that's pretty nice. That's a nice one. There's some elements right off the bat that I really like. Countersunk liner. This is not what I expected. I was thinking this is just a brand new model. The action on it is really good. We have the opening hole there and a front flipper. This is nice, right? For people who don't like front flippers, you got another means of deployment, right? A means of deployment that people generally like and that works. Access to the liner lock, very good. I think this looks like AR RPM 9. Yeah, Laconica, okay. I wouldn't have guessed that right off the bat. Yeah, all right. Little choke up spot there, a little sheep's foot, right? Or reverse tanto. Somebody got really upset with me the other day for calling something reverse tanto and proceeded to tell me the history about how it was faked and it was this big conspiracy to, you know, change the name of some traditional Japanese style blade, which for all I know, that's probably true. It just was weird. It was a weird interaction to that guy. No hard feelings. I just didn't know what to do with that. The blade shape police are real, man. You guys think I'm joking around? They are real. They will come after you with history and knowledge and facts that are facts. They're just not. I just don't know what to do. You know, what do you do with it? Here is the blade shape. Weird tangent. Nice tumbled finish. Really like the green micarta. I like in this case the gold or the brass pivot collar because it contrasts really well with the green micarta. Looky there, CJRB thinking about lefties, right? Oh, we have to look at it. We have to look at it. Ooh. I'm glad it's there. Lefties, look at that. You can enjoy it, right? Nested steel liner all the way down, right? They got the lanyard thing out of the way. It's an additional standoff, right? Which is great. We don't have to have a hole up here for this, right? So this is very accommodating for a lot of people, right? Okay, good stuff. I would guess just based on CJRB's track record, whatever this is, whatever model this is, which again it'll be linked in the description if you want to know what it's called. It's probably not very expensive. Now this one, maybe this is another different model. Maybe it is what I'm thinking. I don't know, right? Maybe we'll have to wait until maybe we'll have to wait for another day. This is this. Is it the same one but in car? Oh no! Oh, now wait a second. It's not what I thought. But this is something that I wasn't familiar with. I didn't even know they were doing this. This is the same thing, but it is a button lock. Carbon fiber It's the shiny stuff, but that's okay because I'm going to guess that the price is going to be pretty low, right? Not nested liners. I would imagine that has something to do with, they're accommodating for the button lock, right? But yeah, you know what? This does work. This is also a nice, I think I prefer the button lock. I mean, this is great, right? If you like a liner lock, if that's your thing, that's fine, right? But the liner lock version works really, really well. You know what's funny is the detent feels almost identical, does it? It's a little bit lighter. Hold on. Let me get used to this. Get it down. Maybe they are the same. They are almost exactly. That's crazy. Usually the button lock stuff has a lighter pull away. It's just a different pull away, but it's not necessarily lighter. I'm just trying to manipulate this with both hands to see if I can do all the stuff. Yeah. Okay. My shiny carbon fiber is not my favorite type of carbon fiber. Sharpened fiber. What am I saying? But this design is good, right? The blade profile is good. You can get your finger up there behind the nose of the blade, which is something I like to do, draw cuts or whatever. I'm sure many of you are the same. Choke back or standard grip, right? Good. Choked up, I think, is better. Pocket clip, it's a decent clip. Not perfect in my book, but they've been using the same clip for a while, and it does not have a super aggressive bill, which is what bothers me. In and out of the pocket with clips like these, it's fine. Easy to switch over for lefty carry, right? All that. AR RPM 9, I think, is a good steal. I'm going to guess that these are probably very inexpensive for what they are, right? CJRB has done a great job of that in the past. There's no reason to think that they're going to suddenly do anything different. If they haven't, that's the nice thing that I've noticed to CJRB. Everybody has increased prices, at least by a little bit. But CJRB seems to be one of the companies that has increased the smallest amount, right? It's not imaginary, right? Everybody got forced to adjust to the economy, right? Oh boy, I'm sure I opened the floodgates with that comment, right? I know, you've been watching a lot of videos on BitChute and there's a big conspiracy. Oh, you're going to tell me, what for? Save it. Please, do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Don't. Let me go ahead and measure these. BitChute. Oh, what a website. Overall length is coming in at 7.5 inches. What am I doing? That's such a dumb thing to... I can't believe I am stoking the flames of that. 3.25 inches on blade length and 3 inches of cutting edge. So good size, right? Not quite... I would call this a medium to a medium-large folding knife, right? Not quite full size. I like to say that 8 inches is full size. Let's weigh it. Let's weigh it. Weight on the micarta version. Oh, this is another detail to point out here that might change it for some people. The micarta is contoured, but the carbon fiber version is not. This is flat carbon fiber. Okay, 3.49 ounces. 3.74 ounces, most likely because this has more steel in the liners that are lipped and not nested, so that would make sense. Okay, this was not a review. This was just an unboxing and first impressions. These knives will eventually be given away during a live stream. CJRB generally just lets me keep this stuff, so once I finish the full comprehensive reviews, which will be released here in a week or two, after that I will give these away, probably along with some other things on my channel. So anyways, thanks so much to CJRB for sending these to me to take a look at. I'll link them down in the description so you guys can check them out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.